Hello, I'm Alex from SM Marketing, and you may recognise me as the guy from that balcony with the squinty eyes. Not no more. Now we're back in the office, so let's kick in. Today, I'm going to be talking about how you can become an Instagram influencer. Social media platforms like Instagram are game changers for businesses and savvy entrepreneurs. One way it has changed things is that it's given rise to the influencer industry, which has really taken off. If you want to be one of these individuals, consider one of the following tips. Choose your avenue. One of the most important things that you can do if you want to get into this industry is consider your niche. Do your best to make sure whatever you choose is very specific and that you are passionate about the products and services that you'll be promoting, because obviously customers are going to respond to this passion. So make it easier for yourself. Choose something that you like. Try to research some things that you're interested in and narrow it down for something that might work for you. Make a business account. The next step on your marketing strategy is to create a business account on Instagram. If you don't do this, you're gonna miss out on all the tools that are available for you on this platform, like the ability to promote your ads. Also, you won't be able to ensure that you're gonna reach specific individuals that fit the demographic that you're aiming for. The more effective you are at finding the right people, the more engagement you'll get, and that is the key to success. Take it seriously. One mistake some influencers make is they don't treat being an influencer like an actual job. This is the reason you need to work a rigid schedule into your marketing strategy. If you're serious about influential personal branding, then you do need to make your audience feel that you're active on Instagram. If you don't post often or your posts are inconsistent, then you might lack engagement. You don't want to start with a weak connection to your audience, or your attempt at getting into this personal branding world might fail. So just take it bloody seriously. If you like it, do it. Your work must be of high quality. The reason you need to choose your niche well is because you're going to have to create high quality content. Now, you may be thinking, what do you mean by high quality? By high quality, I mean great, well done, well edited videos that sort of engage with what's happening on this platform as of now, you know, nice text on top of it. Maybe you're doing really funny sort of 1 minute videos depending on your niche, or just great photos that you can actually pop up on your account. And let's be honest, the only way that you're gonna be consistent and passionate is if you create content about something that you are passionate about. Put time into it. It's relatively easy and basic sort of concept. If you post one type of content and it doesn't get a lot of engagement, but another type does, hone in on that one and then just make sure that you can transmit your excitement so that they respond. Spend time editing and make sure that your sound is good. I can't repeat this. Make sure your sound is good if you are creating video content. It's half of it. You've got to make sure that your sound isn't out of whack, that it's in line. Use a decent microphone. You can, if you haven't got a microphone, but you've got a camera, for example, you could even actually use the iPhone microphone, but just sort of place it in the direction of where you are, or you know, or what's happening, or that the music's nice or whatever. But just make sure that it's not tinny, and make sure that the sound is in sync with what you're saying, because you don't want to end up being like this, where it's all, what is he saying? Is he speaking first, or is his mouth moving, or is the sound coming out first? Is that some sort of magic? Taking these steps may make it a little bit harder, but it's going to be worthwhile in the end. Create a visual theme. A big part of your ability to connect with your audience is making sure that they understand your brand. To do that, you need to choose your visual theme. It needs to be a theme that you're going to use throughout your time as an Instagram brand ambassador, because this is the way that people are going to recognize you and your account. People like to recognize the individuals that they follow, so this is the easiest way to do so. If you notice that a specific theme isn't working, don't worry, you can just try again, start over, no problem. But let this be the last resort. There are some things you can do to start your life as an opinion leader on this platform, but there are other things that you need to keep in mind, like your voice. Yes, you'll have to choose the voice you're using and stick to it. Obviously, I don't mean that you've got to choose an actual voice like that. I've messed up here. I'm using a Scottish voice. I should be using an English voice. But I mean, your tone, the tone of what you're saying is the most important thing. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, comment below, or if you've got any other queries, visit us at theagency.io and send us a little message, and we will get back to you ASAP. Cheers for now.